Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a stunning gold statue using ChatGPT. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT and then next just go to menu, this one, and then images, and then just choose gold styles, this one. Just tap on it, and then after that, just choose your photo that you want to transform from your gallery, or you can also take a new selfie from your camera. And in this tutorial, I will just choose my photo from my gallery like this, and then next just upload your photo that you want to transform. For example, I want to choose this one, and then just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is transformed into a realistic gold statue with a luxury metallic look like this. I think the result, it looks so cool. It's so luxurious. And next, if you like it, you can just download this image and then you can use this for profile picture or creative art content. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.